Alright guys, we finally got checked into our hotel here at APA, which is like a budget-friendly hotel. So again, these hotels are pretty affordable and they are tiny. So check out this hallway. We could barely fit our suitcases here. We have like 3 suitcases, but this is the entrance of our hotel here. I mean our room. Here's a place to hang your jackets, your shoes. And then let me turn the camera around. So this is the room here. So barely any space to walk through. That's just the way these are. All these hotels with APA, they're fairly small. Here's the bed. Let's see if we have a view. Okay, not bad. We get a view of the city here. Let's get some fresh air. All right. Yes, that feels good. Some fresh air. Let's check out the bathroom here. All right, let's see. All right, that is tiny, very similar to the other one we stayed at in Kyoto. Again, they give you your basic necessities like towels, toothbrushes, hairbrush, cups for washing your mouth, whole bunch of stuff here. Pretty simple. And this is the desk, the TV. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. They do have a small fridge. No water in this one. They do have a hot pot. They got Nescafe. And of course, if you're in Japan, they love that green tea. Well, all right, guys. This is our last hotel we're checking into here. And we're gonna stay here for 2 nights and then we take off on Sunday. And that's pretty much it. We're gonna stay here in Osaka and then we'll leave from Osaka airport back to Manila. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you wanna see more of our travel adventures from Japan, check out all the links in the description down below. And as always, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that like button, and we will see you on the next one.